Hey guys, this is Urvashi. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time there is a new video for you. So देखो अभी फेस्टिव सीजन और वेडिंग सीजन आ रहा है एंड हर जगह यूट्यूब पे हमें सरोजनी लाजपत जनपद ओके ऑल दीज वीडियोज आर हियर. सो हम बैंगलोर में जो है हम क्या करेंगे, वी कैन गो टू दिल्ली टू शॉप. So today I am going to Chickpet Market, a wholesale market in Bangalore, and see what is there for us to shop this festive season. So now, without any further ado, let's get going to the market. So I've taken my bag. इसमें सारा sanitizer, everything जो मेरे को जरूरत पड़ सकती is there, and I'll take my mask and head towards Chickpet. Tried going by the metro, but if you don't have the metro card and if it is not recharged, please आप travel करने के 1 घंटे पहले online you can recharge. Also I have a friend with me. She's from Bangalore. She's gonna guide all of us to Chickpet. So now we have taken auto. हम ऑटो से जा रहे हैं and I will definitely show you how can you reach Chickpet through metro. अभी हम ऑटो से चल रहे हैं. I'll show you if you're going by road how will you reach there. I hope I'm audible. So we are here at the Chickpet Circle. So now that we are in Chickpet Market, that definitely means कि हम जा रहे हैं check out करने कुछ amazing silk sarees and dress materials. So आज हम जा रहे हैं सुदर्शन Silk. To go to Sudarshan Silk, we have to take a left turn from Chickpet Circle या फिर पद्मश्री Silk Sarees के सामने वाली लेन में. Sudarshan Silk Center is known for the wide variety of silk sarees, dress materials, lehenga cholis, sherwanis that it has to offer. So now let's see what Sudarshan Silk Sarees has for us today. So they did not let us shoot inside the store, but definitely they have a wide variety of everything and I got my hands on one of them, their masterpiece. So this lane you get all sort of sarees and lehenga and as a छोटे stalls also you get good clothing stuffs. You can match everything, like you get all the matching kapdas here, like all sorts if you want. This market is always very crowdy, so it's better कि आप जब shopping करने जा रहे हो you go at the daytime around 11 at 12 and be very careful with your stuffs like purses and all, and do carry a water bottle along with you always. And इसी रोड में आगे जाने पे you get such amazing jewelry on the roads which cost you starting from 100 rupees and maximum to 2000 rupees. You can make the entire use of it. So now from here we are taking a right and heading towards the Raja Market. So this is Raja Market. Inside this we get all the jewelries.
All the jewelry, silver.
Okay, all sort of jewelries we getting here. Entering into Raja Market, जैसे हम अंदर घुसे, शॉप नंबर 11 दैट इज दिलखुश एंटरप्राइजेस, यहाँ पे हमें मिले बहुत ही अमेजिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल फ्लोरल ज्वेलरी जो कि बेसिकली आजकल ट्रेंड में चल रहा है फॉर हल्दी, संगीत एंड मेहंदी सेरेमनीज के लिए एंड दे वर एक्चुअली वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. अगर आपके घर में शादी है देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन लैंड हियर एंड फाइंड द बेस्ट पेयर ऑफ योर फ्लोरल ज्वेलरी टू मेक योर इवेंट इवन ब्यूटिफुल. सो आपका ये वाला जो कलेक्शन है फ्लावर वाला, ये कितने से स्टार्ट होता है? 250-200 से स्टार्ट होके इट गोज टिल 1500 तक. सो डेफिनेटली कैन चेक आउट इट हियर. एंड उसी शॉप के थोड़ा आगे आने पे हमें ये शॉप मिली जहाँ पे ह्यूज वैरायटी ऑफ थालीज, चौकी, हाथी, कलश, एवरीथिंग जो कि हमें मंदिर के डेकोरेशन एंड पूजा में यूज होता है. वी गॉट इट हियर इन अ ह्यूज वैरायटी. राजा मार्केट में ही अंदर जाने पे वी फाउंड दी स्टोर जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन था आर्टिफिशियल हेयर्स का छोटी फॉर्म में. अगर आपके बाल मेरे से छोटे हैं and if you are planning to make a new look, then you can definitely land here and find the amazing variety of chotis.
It's 300. 300?
450,
500. That is 500.
400.
So the pricing was really amazing to look forward to. You can definitely try them out this time. So we are here at Kunal Beads room and here you can see इतने सारे options हैं for beads. इससे आप हम कोई भी अपनी jewelry design करा सकते हैं ना?
Jewelry, it can be used, you can use for embroidery purpose, anything. All depends on your creativity where you use these.
तो आपने कुछ बना के रखा हुआ है, दिखा सकते हो?
All these beads which we have made on the wall.
Okay. So ये जो आप jewelry देख रहे हो, या everything that you can imagine, you can come here and make, and आप options देख ही सकते हो कितने ज़्यादा हैं beads में. Anything you can imagine, you can come here and design.
We have suitable pendants for it separately and all different type of fillers for this.
या क्या range पड़ती है? Like jewelry बनाने कैसे क्या prices पड़ते हैं?
Regular beads आएंगे 40 rupees, 30 rupees range से लेके you get in the range of 2000 per strand.
2000 per strand.
Per string. So depends on कैसे.
जैसे में अगर ये जो stone वाला है, this one will be for?
1400 per strand.
Okay, this strand is for 1400.
These tassels you can use for earring making.
So you can design your own earrings, everything that's anything in your mind, you can come here and just get it made. We have different types of pendants and stones and beads here. That blue one. So I will mention about the shop number and how can you come here. आप एक बार brief कर दोगे कैसे आना है?
Right. It's just in the circle junction.
Okay. So
From here.
this is the
just
circle
main
and it is
avenue
there on the
circle.
circle only. You have to come to the first floor.
Three stores.
Three
Which is which divided into jewelry section, embroidery section, as well as craft section. So all the three sections you have under one roof. So anything related to embroidery, jewelry, or art and craft, you can come here. The store name is Kunal, the beads room.
Okay. Thank you. And this is a really good store. You guys can come here.
And we deal everything in wholesale, no retailing we do.
No retailing. So if somebody wants a particular pair of
Particularly okay, but basically our motto is that we give in bulk, customer buy, make their own jewelry and resell it. So here everything is wholesale.
So if you have a store or if you have a boutique or आपका कोई Instagram store है where you want to sell different types of jewelry, you can definitely reach out them. I will mention their phone contact number and address in the description box. आप आके यहाँ पे design करो and just make the best out of them and sell it. And surely you can visit this place. This is really it's a pleasant thing to eye, you can say, to see. So now we are entering the Baswa Raj market. Okay, it's crowded here. You can see the latkan and matching things for your dress. Now you get for all the colors and varied designs. So basically this is the lane where you can design your own entire dress. Here you get all sort of cloth material for your saris, lehenga and everything. And moving forward, एक second. And then you can come here and take all the laces and उसके पीछे लटकाने का and everything. मतलब I can imagine a complete dress here. Also you have a lot of things then for makeup. So this lane is entirely when you are planning for a shadi or festival. You can come and design your own dresses here. So Diwali के लिए दिले मिलना start हो गए हैं. So we are here in this lane. यहाँ पे we get all sort of chaku. If you want to kill someone, you can come here and select the perfect chaku for yourself. Actually, we are heading towards the flower market because I love flowers.
Havan Kund.
So we are entering here fruits and then vegetables. So you all know I love cooking and this place is like heaven to me. Like everything, man. This side it's the fruit, that side So now we are in the flower market. We just need to get down and take a right turn from here and we are into the big wholesale flower market. There the smell was so good, it was so mesmerizing. You get all sort of flowers, any flower you name it and you have it here in wholesale. Imagine the amount of roses, mogra and everything I saw here. This place was a really pleasing thing or a gift you can say to eyes, and also this place was really crowdy. And one thing I noticed that everybody I saw here was wearing a mask and that was really great. Oh my god, so finally I found the true love of my life, red roses, and not one, not two, not five, not 10, not 50, not 100, but in such a huge number. Matlab, I just love roses and there are so many roses here.
Taste the auntie. 150 for the bunch.
So this bunch, entire bunch is for 150. One bunch for 150? And believe me, this is the price when they are on hype. Imagine the normal days. So now we find the different varieties of gajras. These are made up of mogra and other flowers. They smell really great and add a very good effect to your look. So if you are a flower lover, this market has something definitely for you. And also Diwali is coming, so you get a lot of flowers, a lot of colorful flowers. Take them home and decorate your home beautifully. So we are back from Chickpet market. We explored a lot. The market is so huge that it is not possible to finish it in one day. I have explored a lot and I have got a lot for you. Definitely मैं अभी और जाऊंगी and I will get more information about the market for you. It started raining and sorry I could not tell you कि आप मेट्रो से वहाँ कैसे पहुँच सकते हो. But it is very आसान. You have Chickpet market पे जो metro station is right inside the market. You can आराम से go there. And you also can take an Ola or Uber or autos are also there. So it is very good connected with the city. Also, it's huge and huge to explore there. I love the market, and if you like this video or if you like such kind of videos, please like this video and comment down if you want more such videos or what you want me to explore next. Definitely I'm gonna show you more about Chickpet in my future videos. And please like this video, comment down and tell me how you find it and share it with your friends so that everybody comes to know what is there in Bangalore. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, take care, be kind to yourself and others.